Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday, June 27th 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain: the jigsaw Sudoku, in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Sudoku. And yeah, it's time for the binary puzzle. Let me position the camera first. Binary puzzle number 8804. 8804. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Alright. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Well, 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch they call it cipher block. In Japanese Sudoku. In a minute. Bye bye for now.